Some animals are super slow, others are lightning fast, and one can even talk like you. Can you guess who they are? Get ready to move, run, and laugh with us.
We will travel to the jungle. The water. Even icy lands. It's some of the most amazing features on Earth. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the sleeping climber? They move very slowly and mark clothes on their fur. They sleep up to 20 hours a day, but my clothes sleeps only 24 hours a day. Guys, let's take a foot and What is actually big climber? It's a sloth. Move as slowly as you can. What is the talking bird? Hello. They can live over 80 years. They mimic human speech. Do you know what is the talking bird? Kids, you idol. The talking bird is a bullet. Let's pretend to be a bullet. And then hello. What is the space champion? Actually, little John. Joke apart. They can land up to 120 kilometers per hour. I am faster than that. But your turn is a slow program. It's wrong with its nail. Take a make a fun in the They can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. Oh, here he is. Do you know, kids, what is the speediest champion? Fastest champion only cheetah. What is the desert? What is the desert? Do you know? Okay. They store fat in their arms, not water. They can go weeks without water. I drink 3 liters of water every day. But my bro, no one drink water, even half of the bottle. I think eat the animal. Do you know what is a desert trip? Do you know what is a desert trip? Do you know what is a desert trip? I am not a desert ship. I am not a desert ship. It is a camel. Walk slowly like you are You're famous. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Is it a polar bear? Polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Object is pretend to swim in ocean. Water. Thank you guys for watching Krishan and Kriti's Animal Facts. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.